Many people pay taxes but don't know where their money goes. This often creates frustration and confusion. In reality, tax money supports nearly every part of daily life. Let's clearly understand how the government uses your tax money. Tax money is the income the government collects from citizens and businesses. It is the primary source of funding for all government activities. Without tax revenue, public services would stop functioning. Governments do not run businesses for profit. They rely on tax money to operate and provide services. Taxes help maintain stability and support economic growth. A large portion of tax money goes into infrastructure. Roads, railways, bridges, and airports are built using public funds. Strong infrastructure boosts trade, jobs, and mobility. Taxes fund government schools, colleges, and universities. They support scholarships and skill development programs. Education spending builds the country's future workforce. Government hospitals and clinics depend on tax funding. Vaccination drives and public health programs are also tax-funded. This ensures healthcare access for all income groups. Tax money supports the armed forces and border security. It funds equipment, training, and disaster response. National security is a core government responsibility. Taxes support welfare schemes for the poor and vulnerable. Food subsidies, pensions, housing, and employment programs rely on tax revenue. These schemes help reduce inequality. Tax money pays salaries of teachers, police, doctors, and public servants. Courts, law enforcement, and institutions function through public funding. Administration keeps the system operational. Governments borrow money for development. A part of tax revenue is used to pay interest on these loans. This ensures financial credibility and stability. Tax money is also invested in future-focused areas. Renewable energy, digital infrastructure, and innovation receive funding. These investments support long-term national growth. Your tax money supports nearly every public service you use. It funds both current needs and future development. Understanding this builds awareness and trust. Taxes are not wasted. They keep the nation running. If you want to understand how money, taxes, and government finances really work, subscribe to Institute of Finance.